Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Just want to say thank you so much to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel. Thank you guys, your support is much appreciated. Today I'm sharing you a really old traditional recipe to make some focaccia bread. Now this is a recipe for make a crispy, flat, thin focaccia bread. As you can see, it's the dough is very soft. We've got so many different recipes to make thicker focaccia or like a pizza dough. This is the crispy one because I have used the self-raising flour. Now if you want a thicker bigger focaccia base, you need to use yeast and a different type of flour, but I will do separate recipes soon to show you how different ingredients will get different results in focaccia bread or bread making. Okay, so this is a really nice thin crispy focaccia. Jamie and I loves this. We used to have a lot once every couple of weeks. There's a separate there's a different topping you can use. I have used rosemary and herbs. You can put some sliced potatoes, you can use some salami, you can use just some thicker salt. Again, possibility at handlers, it's all depend what you guys like. Okay, so keep watching the tutorial guys and I will see you very soon. Right guys, so we need 200 milliliters of water, 250 grams of self-raising white flour. And what you do guys, you slowly incorporate the flour into the warm water using your hands. Okay, like so. Then we add guys 1 teaspoon of salt, literally full salt like that. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, and 3. And last we add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, and then once all the ingredients are added, you simply mix it all the dough together with your hands. The dough has to be really soft. Okay, make sure you incorporate all the flour is on the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna cover this with some cling film and we're gonna leave it for at least 2 hours, and we let the dough raise. And then we come back here and we're going to put some herbs and spices. After a few good couple of hours, we're going to get cling film. See, the dough has doubled his volume, and we're going to get like a rectangular can. We're going to add a generous amount of olive oil, and also just put some on your hand as well, because we will need to work the mixture. So make sure it's fully covered. Okay, like that, and then we simply put the dough into the base like that. And you gently distribute it just to cover the pan. Like so. It's good when if you put some oil on your hand, you don't get the Sorry about the noise. They don't stuck in your finger. Going to add some dried rosemary. You can use fresh rosemary if you wish as well from your garden. And then you cover it, the focaccia like so. Also, because I really like these this mixture, I bought this from Marks. It's a mixed herbs pot. You've got thyme, marjoram, oregano, parsley, sage and basil. And then I'm going to add a sprinkle of this. Just like that. And then last, we're going to add some salt. Just a pinch, like this sort of quantity. Done. Okay. Okay guys, so after 15 to 20 minutes in the oven at just about 160 and 170 degrees Celsius, the focaccia is ready. So very soft. It smells absolutely delicious. That is it for today, guys. I really hoped you like this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, because that will support the video doing well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I also have an Instagram account and a Facebook group. So over there we have some chats, so feel free guys to join. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.